So, greetings of peace for everyone. My name is Hannah Jane J. Ranos. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies from Mindanao State University, and I am presenting myself, my achievements, and my curriculum vitae essentially to you. So, as I have already mentioned, I am a graduate from Mindanao State University of as a Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies student, majoring in business process outsourcing and organizing. And I have had work experience from as a virtual assistant from Pineapple staffing back from December 2022 and at Pepper Virtual Assistants back at August 2023. So I was an online assistant caring for the time and efforts of our clients through schedule management and minor writing tasks. And I had made the workloads and schedule manageable for our clients. So I have during my undergraduate studies, I I was I had I had joined various organizations. I had joined the College of Social Sciences and Humanities Students Organization as an undersecretary under the Budget and Finance Committee from 2021 to 2023. And I was also a secretary of the Commission on Elections at our College English Club from Mindanao State University, General Center City. So my achievements consist of as I was awarded as a virtual assistant of the quarter from Pineapple Staffing and as a MIL Kabataan awardee or from Youth Affairs and Development Office of the General Santos City. A recognition for advocating media information literacy awareness, and the other was an award for the most highly commended virtual assistant employee for 3 months of service. So I've had also trainings and seminars. Um, uh, I've had I have trainings from Pentacasi Unlocking Creative Minds to Craft the Future of SOX Language and Literature back at April 2022. There was a class forum and workshop sharing the creativity and encouraging young minds to create literary masterpieces using the local language. So contributing to the nurturing of SOX priceless treasures of language and literature was also I also had a training and seminar during my time in the uh, college student organization during the Leadership Summit 2023. It was a seminar and team building workshop for student leaders of different organizations under the College of Social Sciences and Humanities. And lastly, I have a seminar and certification from the PRISM International Research Hub. And it was a certification of teaching English for speakers of other languages. And it was a seminar engaging the compassionate English educators and students to acquire more relevant techniques and methodologies for teaching and reaching the language for others who also wish to learn writing and speaking the English language more effectively and efficiently. Throughout my work experience, I have acquired my technical skills in graphic designing, video and photo editing, as well as social media managing. I have also had deliver. I also have developed my interpersonal communication skills such as active listening, leadership, and collaboration. As a language student, I am fluent in the English language and the Filipino language, both in Tagalog and Bisaya. So I also have a certification of JavaScript programming introductory course from Testa. Mm, I believe that I am I am qualified for the job that as a virtual assistant, specializing in social media manager in the task bullet Philippines because I've had a significant and relevant working experience, and I guess that should my experiences should speak for myself. Thank you.